This is a motorized shutter, so there are no mechanical stops. The stops are set with the remote. All right, so back on the clock. Here we are. Slats dropped, power's ran. We're gonna go ahead and temp up our power, that way I can show you the programming. Robert went to grab me a remote, but because it's a smart motor, it doesn't matter where we program our limits. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach it right here. Channel 2. So our spring lights are on. This is a smart motor. Channel 2, you said? Putting it on channel 2. We're gonna go ahead and wake up the motor. We double check the direction. And it's improper. Go to those other videos. You're gonna learn all about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and change the direction here. Now my up is up and my down is down. Go ahead and set the limits. We liked our down limit there. So I'm gonna press the up and stop button to run up to my top limit. I'm going to stop a little shy so we can fine tune it. I like that. So now we're setting our parameters for this motorized shutter. If it was a manual shutter, you would crank it up, crank it down. No big deal. At this point in the manual shutter installation, you'd go ahead and install your conic stopper. Okay, it stopped where we originally wanted it to stop. We'll lock that in. And then now, we're going to go ahead and put it in the maintain fashion. And we're going to double check it. Seems easy enough, as long as she stops where we wanted her to stop. Not yet, we're going to describe it. And she stopped right where we wanted it to stop. You notice about one slat hanging out. That's about as good and as tight as we want it.